Okay, guys. So in last week we had completed BDD Cucumber framework. So today we are going to start hybrid framework. Okay. So now let's discuss what is an hybrid framework. So first, let me create a Maven project. Okay, in hybrid framework, how to automate a test case. So let's create a Maven project. So new other. So go to Maven project, Maven and select Maven project. Okay. So I'm clicking on next. Click on next. So here we have to give org.apache.maven. So quick start I had selected. So click on next. So let's give hybrid framework, right? So I'm giving hybrid one, group ID, artifact ID, and clicking on finish. So hybrid one project got created on the left hand side. So let's see. So hybrid framework got created. So now the next thing is I have to update Maven dependencies. So open the form.xml and let's go and update it. So there is a Selenium 44 folder is there. So I'm copying all the Maven dependencies. So all these dependencies, so Selenium, so all these dependencies I'm copying. So these are the mandatory dependencies. So I'm copying. So testng, WebDriver manager, Selenium. So I'm copying these dependencies in my form.xml. So let's delete this one. Let's copy all of it. Okay, and I'm saving. Right. So let's check Maven dependencies. So all the supporting jar files came on now. Okay. After updating my form.xml, all the supporting jar files are it came automatically. So we could able to see all Selenium supporting testng. Okay. WebDriver manager. All the supporting jar files are available. Okay. Now, so right now, I don't have any packages in SRC test Java. So this is the default package got created. Let me delete this one. Hybrid one. This is the package I'm deleting. So hybrid framework means it is a combination of page object model and test engine. Okay. So we have already developed a page object model design pattern. Let's go and copy those pages. So in where we have developed Cucumber POM1, SRC test Java. So these are the page class files we have already developed. So I'm copying all these pages. Copy. Okay. And let's go to here. Under SRC test Java, where is that hybrid? Under SRC test Java, I'm keep doing paste. So all my page class files are ready. Okay, let's go to login page. What is this issue it is showing? So in hybrid framework, there won't be data tables concept. Okay, let me delete these parts. Data tables. So there won't be data table concept. So string username comma password. Creating local variables. String username comma string password. Username. So you can give whatever name you want. Okay, so let me give my username one and password. So I am saving login page and coming to skill space. Skill space. So there is no data table. Okay, so let's delete this line as well. So it will navigate to admin qualification skills add button and I have to enter skill name and skill description. So let me create local variables at method level string skill name and skill description. So this is the local variables only we had used. Skill name. Yeah. So here skill name and skill description, this is the local variables we had used. And I'm saving. So is there any issues? Okay, I think there are one calling bracket extra. Okay. So for this method, add skills, call admin qualification skills, skill name and skill description, and everything is ready. So we have developed a pages package. Under this one, we are having login page. Okay, login page contains string username one, password one, and skills page contains skill name one and skill description, and those values it's entering. So this is the pages class we have developed, package we have developed. Now I want to create a package called test cases. So let me create a package. Okay, new package test cases. And I'm clicking on finish. Okay. So in this test cases, I want to create a testng class file. Okay. So how to create the testng class file? Right click, go to testng, click on create testng class and give tc01 skills. Okay. So here, okay. So tc01 underscore skills and I'm clicking on finish. Okay. So I want to declare my WebDriver object. WebDriver. So let's import this WebDriver. So I want to rename this test as skills test. Okay. So now I want to write my set of driver commands. So previously here we have written in step definition.java class file how to launching the Chrome browser part. So these two lines I have to write it. In the main test case itself I have to write it. And similarly, okay, and I have to write it. And what else I have to do? Open Orange HR. Okay. So here I want to give the application URL. Okay, so in my main test case, I'm launching my browser and I'm invoking my application URL. So up to here only I'm writing. Okay, let's go Orange HR application URL. So this is the URL. Okay, so any doubts as of now? Nothing. So I have created a testng class file and I'm launching my application URL. Okay. Now I want to call login page method. I want to call login page. So now what is the object I have to create? Login page. Okay, let's give login page. Login page. L1 is equal to new. Okay. So it's asking import this one. So under pages package, it contains login page. Supporting library got imported automatically, and I have created. Now I want to call the drivers. So L1.login page driver. I'm passing the driver object to login page, and after that I have to call my login. So L1.login. So this one. So here I have to give the values admin. And what is the value? Admin 1, 2, 3. So login is a, so these values it will go to login method. So username one value it will be received as admin one and password one value it will be received as admin one two. Okay, now let's keep add throws declaration. It's got right. Okay. So login page method got invoked on login done. So next which method I have to call? Skills. So let's import skills. Skills page S1 is equal to new skills. Okay, and S1 dot. I have to pass the WebDriver objects to skills. So done. Next, S1 dot add skills. So skill name Java 1 and skill description Java 1 description. So this value it will go to skill name 1 and skill description 1, their local variables. So next, what is the one I have to create? Home page. Home page. New. So h1 dot home page dot drive. Okay. Next h1 dot close browser method is available. Yes. So that's it. Hybrid framework is done. So we have created a pages package and we are creating object and we are calling the required methods as per my test case functional flow. So first login page methods got invoked from login page and scat skills method is executing from skills page and home page method is executing from logout method, close browser is executing from home browser. Okay, let's go and run this program. So where is my program? So test-ng tc0 under test cases, this is the program. Okay, let's run this program. Run as test-ng test. So application got launched, application URL and login page driver, it will go to login page and admin 123. It has to navigate admin qualification skills, add button, and it was done successfully. Everyone is clear? So now we will automate one more also, job size. So to develop the job space, I also need to create a job space. Okay, so let me create a job space first. So I'm copying this one, skill space. So I can copy this job space and let me create a page. So the existing testing page class file I am copying, right click, copy and paste it in the same package. So let's do job space. It is already developed, then no need to. I want to show it from scratch. So I'm clicking on job space. So going back to here, so this is the job space driver I want to give. Okay, so I want to modify job space driver, it will come. And here I want to write add jobs method. Okay. So here I don't want to write any of the methods related to it. One second. I think I'm modifying in another project. I have to do it in hybrid, right? So I have to create job space. So I'm taking copy and here I want to paste it. Job space. Clear everyone? So the existing page I have created. Now I want to make it as job space driver. Okay, so job space driver. And next one is add jobs. Correct? Add jobs. So might be job title, job description, job mode. Job title, job description, job mode. String. So local variables. Okay, so now I want to write set of driver commands related to add jobs. Okay, let's go and write set of driver commands we have already written in Cucumber POM2. Where is that job space? Okay. So all these things I have to. Okay. So these are the local variables I entered correctly. So all my set of driver commands are ready here. Okay. So my job space is development. My job space is development. So I want to develop the main test case. Okay. Now let's go back to my main test case. So my job space is ready. So here this is my main test case. So what I am doing is just like how the page was copied. Similarly, I am taking this test.ng class file copy. And in this package, I'm doing right click and I'm doing paste. So let's give tc01 underscore jobs. I'm clicking on OK. Okay, let's close this one. Let's open tc01 jobs. So here I'm going to give jobs test. Anyway, first 4 lines are common. And login is also common. No need to write because methods are invoking from login to. And here job space. Okay, let me delete this part. Okay. And J1 dot job space driver. I'm passing J1 dot app jobs. So what is the value I want to give? Job title sales one description, sales one note. So login method is executed. Next job page method is executing. Next home browser will be done. Okay, let's run this program. So I want to comment. I don't want to close the browser. I want to see the result. Okay, I'm saving. So let's right click and do run as test engine test. So login is done. So done. So record got created. If you want to test with new function, new test data, just you can change it here. Sales 2, sales 2, sales 2. So that new record, you can run it again. So that new record will be created. Okay. So which is this is VDD or this one? This is very deadly. Okay. So once pages are done, just you have to write these 4 commands and you have to create objects and you have to call them methods. Hybrid is very deadly. Okay. So do you, yeah.
After creating those, when there were creating symbols, so if we want to enter multiple.
I will come to that next class. So everyone is clear how to do. We have to create pages and we have to ensure test cases. So page class files contain only page specific methods. And in the main test case, we will create objects. We will create object and we will call required methods as per the test case functional flow. This is called page object model design pattern. Okay, same approach in BDD also we had used. Okay, right. So now can we go with page factory model? Page factory model. Okay, let's go to page factory. Page factory, right. SRC test Java. So this one, right? Login page. All the setup driver commands and this one and this one, right? So now what I am doing is I am taking copy. I'm taking copy. Okay, I think the same name we should not supposed to give. So what I am doing is on the desktop I am doing paste that package. So this is the package name. This is the package name. So let's rename the package name to pages 1. Okay. So now what I am doing is, so in this package we are having the class files, right? So now what I am doing is I am taking copy. Let's go to this project. Pages 1, login page 1 and okay, let me delete this. So it contains all the errors. Let's go to what are those errors. Login page. I have to give pages 1 because the package name is pages 1. Let me correct it, pages 1. Okay. On home page also it is pages 1. The package name is pages 1. Okay. So now in login page, what are the issues are there? Let's see them. So login page. So here, what is the issue it is showing? So data table. So we don't have data table. Let's delete string username 1 comma password 1. Let's give local variables. That's it. String username 1 comma string password. That's it only, right? So let's delete these lines. So login page issues got fixed. Okay. So we have created local variables and okay. Now let's go to the next one. Job space. Here also data table concept was not there. Okay. So let's delete for loop. This is also not there. I think we have to create job title, job description, job note at method level. Job title, job description. Let's delete this part. Okay, everything is done. Okay, let's close. Okay, anything wrong? It's showing extra curling brackets for loop was. So pages one contains page factory model. Okay, so now I want to create another package, test cases one. Okay, let's go to test cases one. Test cases one. So here I want to develop a test case. Okay, let me copy the previous one. So this is the one skills TC01 skills. And let me, so first TC01 skills I'm copying and pasting in test cases one here. So here what I am doing is pages one, right? My package name. Let me create pages one. Pages one. Because I want to refer from pages one. What is that page name? Skills pages one contains what is the skill? Job space. Okay, all right. So I want to create what is this one? Okay, let's come back. So here login page is done. Login page web driver. Okay, I think in login page driver, what is the method? Get login page. Okay, I have to modify the correct method name. So login page driver. And job space, right? So let's delete this part. And in home page, what is the drive method we have developed? Home page driver. You can make it as home page driver. बोलेगा, हाँ. So home page driver. ఏంటంటే ఇంకా ఇష్యూ ఏదో తప్పు వస్తుంది ఏంటంట pages one contains home page. Home page h1 is equal to new home page. Which page should not be resolved at type. Right. Okay, na save gala content. So now I want to create job space. So is equal to new. Okay, and j1 dot job space driver. Okay, so let me change. Okay, I have given method name like that, so I am doing like that. So let's go to job space driver. We can modify that one. Job space driver. Okay. And what is the method I have to call? J1 dot add jobs. So sales to description. and sales to note. Okay, let me save this. I'm saving this. Okay, everyone is clear? Okay, let me run this program. So sales to record. So this program in test cases one, so this is the rename I want to change. Function F2. I want to rename it as TC01 jobs. So TC in test cases one TC01 jobs. Okay. If I will run this one, login method has to execute from pages one. Okay. Because pages one means it's a page factory mode. Okay. So let's run this one. So we develop test cases by using page object model, and we develop test cases by using page factory model as well. So admin is done. So you can try exercise for skills. I did jobs. You can do exercise for. Okay, I will upload this project right there. So page factory model means you are creating page class file for everyone. Okay, I closed the session manually. Okay, so let me copy this project. Copy, and you can import this project as. Okay, I'm uploading there itself. The SharePoint I'm uploading. You can do practice. What is the extension part? Tomorrow we will see. Okay, so you have to ensure pages and test cases package. Okay, now let me go to my Gmail. Yeah. So I have uploaded hybrid one project. Okay, you can access from here and you can download and import this project. Okay, so that's it for today's class on hybrid framework, and second part we can continue by tomorrow. Okay.